I want to give you a little look at my Grand Tourer Mark II aluminium rooftop tent and show you where I've been in it. It's my all-time favourite way to go camping, and I'm certain it'll be yours too. My job here at Adventure Kings is to take all sorts of camping and four-wheel drive gear out bush and test them to the extremes. That means I get to spend more time out bush than just about anyone I know. And every night, I'm camping in my Grand Tourer Mark II. I've been everywhere in this tent, from Queensland's best beach campsites right down through the Great Dividing Range. And I'll tell you what, every single night I camp in this tent, I dead set love it. So I've built this ute to be the ultimate quick escape vehicle because I'm constantly moving around from location to location, campsite to campsite. Often we're getting into camp way after dark and we're up at the crack of dawn. Every single part of that ute has been designed to offer the best possible camping experience with a minimum of fuss. And I don't reckon you could find a better, easier way to camp than the Grand Tourer Mark II. I love the fact it sets up in an instant and that all my bedding's already in there ready to go. And if you're a side sleeper like I am, you'll love how comfy the 75mm mattress is. No waking up in the middle of the night with a sore hip. Mine's even been customised with 12-volt power for phone chargers and an LED strip light with a dimmer. Way too good. I'm not sure, but I reckon this rooftop tent counts as glamping. It's definitely a long way from the days of roughing it in a little two-man dome tent, that's for sure. If you're thinking about pulling the trigger on a Grand Tourer Mark II, then take it from me. That right there is the best money you'll ever spend on your camping experience. One night in yours and you'll wonder how you ever went camping without it.